Hey there, welcome to another session on math problem solving. This is Bharat Divyang. So here's your problem today. X plus 3 times x plus 5 is 24. Pause the video here, give it a shot, see if you can solve for x. Alright, welcome back. Chances are you went the traditional way, right? So which was you basically expanded this out, you made it as x square plus 5x plus 3x plus 15 is equal to 24. So x square plus 8x plus 15 minus 24 is equal to 0. So x square plus 8x minus 9 is equal to 0. You can rewrite this as x squared plus 9x minus x minus 9 is equal to 0. X into x plus 9. The first two terms have x as common. The second two terms have minus 1 as common, leaving you x plus 9 equal to 0. And now both these terms have x plus 9. So x plus 9 times x minus 1 is equal to 0, which means x is either minus 9 or plus 1. So let's substitute and see the value. When I do plus 1, what do I get? So 1 plus 3 is 4, and 1 plus 5 is 6, giving you 24. When it's minus 9, what happens? Minus 9 plus 3 is minus 6, and minus 9 plus 5 is minus 4, giving you 24. Okay, now this is the traditional way of doing it, and you saw how long it took you. But is there a smarter way to do that, and why should you even think about it? One, these kind of questions are very, very common in SAT and aptitude tests, and knowing how to do things fast is just as important as knowing how to do it right. So if you look at this pattern, you realize that there's a median, there's a term right in between, there's a pattern to it. 3 and 5 are just 1 plus or minus 4. You can see that pattern. So you can substitute the whole thing as let x plus 4 equal to y. Why do we need that? In that case, x plus 3 is the same as y minus 1, and x plus 5 is the same as y plus 1. So when you multiply both of them now, x plus 3 can be replaced with y minus 1, and x plus 5 would be y plus 1, and that's going to be equal to 24. Which means this is a very simple a minus b into a plus b, a square minus b square is the answer, which means y square minus 1 is 24, which means y square is 25, which means y is either plus 5 or minus 5, right? And now all you need to do is remember x is nothing but y minus 4, so to get x, subtract 4 from this, so you would end up getting minus 1 here, sorry, plus 1 here. And if you subtract 4 here, this becomes minus 9. That's your answer, right? This is all the fundamental that you need in order to solve this particular problem, which was posted by Brian Station, which had two more terms, making it a quartic equation, which is quadratic, cubic, and quartic. But the principle is pretty much the same. You just have to do it at two levels, right? So what you do is you think of this as y. So this becomes y minus 1, this becomes y plus 1, this becomes y minus 3, this becomes y plus 3. So when you multiply these two and you multiply these two, what you end up getting is y square minus 1 times y square minus 9 is equal to 9. Okay, so now if you'd like to do this problem in detail, you can either watch Brian Station's video, or we'll probably do a separate video for this. But for today, I think we'll wrap it up here. And remember, quadratic equations are so much more easier once you start applying pattern recognition into it. I hope you found this video interesting, insightful, and useful. If so, please do like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you so much.